Welcome to Back to Binary's Ahead of the Week report, covering the world's major trading events to help event traders like you prepare your investment calendar. Let's review the main asset trends from last week. The euro was down on lower than expected PMI reports for the Eurozone. The USD was up on increased hopes that the Federal Reserve might hike interest rates in what's left of the second quarter. The GBP was up after political leaders urged the UK to remain in the Eurozone. Gold was down as investment sentiment switched from safe haven to risk-taking. Oil was up, inching closer to $50 per barrel as demand rose amid falling US stockpiles. Stay tuned for our trading tip later on in the clip. The asset focus this week remains on the USD, which is looking to sustain a rising trend and may see even more action on Friday when the US non-farm payrolls hit the headlines. On Monday, two of the largest markets are on holiday. The UK is on spring bank holiday and the US marks Memorial Day. However, there's news out of the Eurozone at 0900 with the economic sentiment indicator. Last seen at the level of 103.9, any downside surprises could further pressure the euro. Tuesday the 31st brings more trading opportunities on the euro with the release of the Eurozone's Consumer Price Index for May at 0900. Minus 0.2% was the last reading of this important indicator. And with deflation very much a problem in the Eurozone, the latest results are being closely watched. The spotlight's on the USD on Wednesday, June 1st, with the release of the ISM manufacturing PMI for May at 1400. Last seen at the level of 50.8, the benchmark offers key insights into the health of the US manufacturing sector. The big trading event on Thursday, June 2nd is at 11:45 when the European Central Bank releases its interest rate decision. The ECB is keeping rates at 0% or in negative territory in the hopes that banks will lend more easily, encouraging investment and confidence, but the results are slow in coming. As always, the first Friday of each month brings trading opportunities on the USD and gold, with the release of the non-farm payrolls data for May at 12:30. Last seen at the level of 160,000, the NFP is the most popular trading event in the world's markets, and any upside or downside results are likely to affect the USD. Now on to our trading tip based on your frequently asked questions. What is volatility? The term volatility is technically an analysis of the range of returns on a given asset and is measured with standard deviation. The higher the volatility, the higher the risk. Looking at it another way, volatility can also indicate rapid spikes and valleys in the asset's price, offering opportunities along with risk. An asset with low volatility offers a lower risk-reward level and less fluctuations in the price. Sometimes, however, the unforeseen happens, and a normally low volatility asset is hit by an unexpected market shock, resulting in higher volatility around the price. This was most recently seen in the sovereign bond crisis in the Eurozone and the value of the CHF after it was unpegged from the euro. Remember to follow us on Facebook for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.